This Amazon expandable 20-foot container house is your solution for quick, adaptable living. It is a cutting-edge solution for a variety of housing needs, offering a unique blend of portability, customizable space, and robust construction. Designed for quick assembly and disassembly, this innovative structure can be installed in as little as 10 minutes, making it an ideal choice for swift relocation and temporary outdoor housing. This prefab tiny home comes in standard sizes of 20-foot, 30-foot, or 40-foot, with options for both single and double-story configurations. While typically featuring a modern style and available in white, black, yellow, or gray, it offers extensive personalization and customization from the outset. You can specify the number of rooms, from 1 to 5, and choose your preferred wall material, such as fireproof and waterproof sandwich panels. The frame itself is constructed from durable galvanized steel, ensuring a strong foundation. Once assembled, the expandable container house truly shines with its double-wing extension structure. This ingenious design maximizes indoor space, effortlessly accommodating 2 bedrooms, a kitchen, a living room, and a bathroom. This expanded layout ensures ample room for both living and leisure, providing a comfortable environment even in a compact footprint. Safe construction is a key feature of this container house. Its main structure, a strong steel frame made of sturdy square steel tubes, provides exceptional stability and safety. This foldable home boasts impressive resilience, with a fire rating of Class A, wind resistance up to level 11, and seismic resistance up to level 9. For areas with heavy snowfall, it's important to regularly remove snow accumulation from the roof to maintain its integrity beyond residential use. The expandable container house is incredibly versatile. It can function as a staff dormitory, security room, temporary office, stall, warehouse, carport, and more. Its rapid deployment and flexible design make it a prime choice for various temporary housing and commercial applications. Whether you're looking for a modular home, an adult tiny home, or a custom layout, this expandable container house provides the flexibility to transform into your ideal living or working space. Please check the link in the description for more info. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.